right now that gauge is marking, I'd say that's 150. Got no idea how accurate this gauge is, and or what that mark is supposed to be there. With this thermostat, it's supposed to be at 180, and there's our pressure there. It's a bit over about 10. The manual calls for 12 psi. So I'm going to say that's not bad at all. As you can hear or see, as soon as I idle the engine up a little bit, the pressure increases to 20 psi. That's really good because that means the engine temperature is, the engine is good and not losing pressure. Just want to quickly check the gauge inside. So there's the gauge on the engine. And it's marking almost 200 Fahrenheit. So I think the one inside is inaccurate. This one I think is more accurate. And the engine does feel quite hot, so I don't think it's working cold.